Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to complete the food chains activity. This is going to be packet page 165. So please make sure you have cut this out and glued it into your notebook. I did keep the directions when I cut this into my notebook, so that way I would have all the information. So we need to cut out the organizer and draw arrows to show how animals might feed on other animals in an ecosystem. So we're going to use the following information to help us out. So the producers, the herbivores, the omnivores, and the carnivores have all been identified for us. So 3 different producers, all down here. And I'm going to actually use a green pen, and I'm going to label my 3 producers with an uppercase P. So I'm going to use a green pen, and I'm going to write producer. So P, and then a capital P, and then another capital P, just to remind myself that these are my producers. So I'm going to use arrows to point towards the organisms that are getting the food or getting the energy. So for example, I could draw an arrow from the carrot towards the rabbit, and then from the rabbit up to, I guess this is a fox, so up like that. Or I could draw an arrow from the grass up to the squirrel, and then from the squirrel up to the snake. So you're just drawing all of the possible food chains that could exist in this ecosystem. So with all of these animals. So here is an example of what your final product could look like. Again, I labeled my producers with a green P because they are my producers. Everything else is a consumer, either a primary consumer because it's an herbivore, or a secondary or tertiary consumer because it is a carnivore. So make sure your final product looks similar to mine as far as showing how energy flows through an ecosystem. If you have any questions or concerns about this activity, please make sure to let me know. Thanks.